we want to talk to you about affirmations because they were very popular some time ago and still have popularity and some value to offer you when they are done in alignment. One difficulty is that if you simply say, I will be rich, I will be rich, you can tell people on the street, you can tell anyone, you can convince them, you can get them to tell you, but does it change your finances? And more importantly, does it change you and your energy? Because you see, my friends, when it is that your energy is in the right place, and that means alignment, and that means holding or being the energy, for example, of abundance, then affirmation or not doesn't matter. Then an affirmation is meant to be a reminder to yourself that you are aligning in the proper energy, that you are being the version of yourself. In this example, with the money, let's talk happiness. I am a happy being. Alone, you can convince anyone anything. When you decide, without looking outside of you, that you are blessed, happy, enjoying, having a cosmic dance as the cosmic creator that you are, then one thing that will happen is you will be fulfilling a part of a universal purpose of life, that cosmic dance. But that is for another recording. The second thing that will happen is that you will shift yourself, your energy. In turn, you will shift what you do, how you stand, how you feel, what you think, because these will follow the energy, which is following the choice. When you choose that you are the version of yourself that is so pleased, so happy, so blissful. And then the affirmation is the confirmation of who you truly are.